This month's craft is harvest corn. Let's go over the step-by-step instructions on how to make it. Each kit contains one piece of yellow paper, which is the corn template, either brown or green paper, which will be for the husk, and then strips of colored paper. In addition, you will need to provide tape, scissors, and a marker. Step 1 is cut out your templates. Step 2 is to carefully cut along the dotted lines. Step 3 is to start weaving the colored strips of paper into the corn. As you can see here, I'm alternating every other strip. Once you get that first strip in, you want to slide it to the end of the corn and then start your second strip. You want to make sure that you alternate what you do from the first strip. Eventually, you'll end up with a project that looks like this, and it can vary depending on the colors that you choose. You can go in a pattern or you can just do it randomly. Either way, it makes for a very nice effect. Once all the strips are in the corn, you want to secure them with tape. Do it on the back side so that the front side will be the part that shows. You can put as much tape on here as you want to secure all of those pieces. Next, you want to trim the ends off from the corn. Then it's time to add the husks. You want to line one up on one side of the corn and attach it with tape. I would secure it around the end too, as you'll see in the next picture. As you see, the tape is secured at the bottom of the husk around the side as well. And then you do the same thing with the second husk, securing it with tape as well. And then gently fold over the husks. You can either flatten them after you fold them or just let them have a little bit of a curl to the top. Either way, they're going to look really nice. And at the very end, as an optional step, you can use your marker and draw some wavy lines on the husk. And that's all there is to it. It's a nice way to teach your children how to make patterns and how to do a very easy weaving craft. And as always, these crafts are available in all of our library branches while supplies last. Hope to see you in the library. Bye.